guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is a really special video because it's get to know me tag, and I've asked few of my close friends to send me questions, and they've sent me so many questions. So the questions are on my laptop, and I'm gonna answer by reading the questions from the laptop. So let's start the video. So the first question is 3 words that best describes you. So I would say I'm ambivert, I'm very choosy, and I'm really competitive. And yeah, and the second question is quite related only. It says a fact about your personality. So I would say if someone sees me for the first time, they can't really tell how am I. So you have to know me for some time, then only you will come to know how am I. Yeah, that's the fact. Then the third question is, what is one memory of school time that you would love to relive? So I went to Ryan International School, ICSE board, and memory that I want to relive would be like when I was in 12th standard. Every morning I used to enter the class, and there would be my commerce friends, and I was in science, so my commerce friends would come to my class, and we used to gossip about the last day. And yeah, that's the memory I want to relive, and I really miss you all if you're watching this. Then all-time favorite song, then I would say it's Therefore I Am by Billie Eilish. I really love that song. The next question is a literal intro about my family. So we are a family of 4: my mom, my dad, me, and my small sister. And yeah, we are a cute little small family. So the next question is my favorite memory from childhood. So my favorite memory would be like I was a really quiet child when I was small. So whenever my mom dad used to sleep, I was a little child at that point of time. And what I used to do is I used to slowly come out of a bed and play alone without making any noise, and that's the memory I would say I love. Then let's move on to the next question. It says my favorite person in the world. I would say it's my mom. Can't live without my mom. I want to share every bit of my life with my mom. And yeah, people might think that you share everything. I say yes, everything. Yeah, so next question is my favorite YouTubers. So my favorite YouTubers would be, I really love Sadie Elders. I love Nicole Laino. Then I love Ashna Hegde, and one more I would say Jess and Gabriel. I just love the two couple. Oh my god, like they two are so adorable. I just love their videos. Then next is my favorite cartoon in childhood. I would say Oswald. I really love Oswald. Today all. Next question is, if I would get one superpower, what it would be? So mine is a little weird. I want to see each and every organisms that exist in this universe. I want to know everything about them, and yeah, that excites me. I don't know why, but yeah. The next question is, do you fear anything? I would say yes, everyone fears about anything. And I am really afraid of lizards. It's like whenever I see them, I cannot sleep. Even in my sleep, I dream of lizards. Yeah, I just hate them. I don't know why they even exist on this earth. Let's move on to the next question. So the next question is my 5 pet peeves. So my 5 pet peeves, I would say that I really hate dirty bathrooms or even wet bathrooms. Second, I would say I really hate the people who eat with their mouth open or chew in a weird way. But I would say I don't like my hair or anyone's hair fallen everywhere. I just hate it. It just irritates me to the maximum level. Then fourth, I would say I don't like people who snore. Yeah, I'm serious about this fact. Even if my sister snores, I just press her nose so that she could breathe deeply and stop snoring so I can sleep peacefully. And the fifth, I would say I cannot sleep with like light coming inside my room or people talking. I can't sleep where there's so much noise. Yeah, actually, I can really write 10 to 15 pet peeves. I have that many things. And my parents say, क्या है भाई हर एक चीज में problem? Yeah, they say that, but it's true. I have so much problems.
Oh my god!
The next question is my most embarrassing moment. So when I was in 6th or 7th standard, so my family and my dad's sister family, we went to a nearby shopping mall and I left the phone on the table in a shop, and my dad was so mad at me. He slapped me in front of everyone. And I accepted that it was my mistake. I was so careless at that point of time, but yeah, that was the most embarrassing moment of my life. The next question is, if you could meet any one person from history or alive, who would it be? So I would say I want to meet Barbara McClintock. Yeah, I want to know how she found about different things. Next question is my favorite, by the way. Who cooked the worst food I ever had? So it's like the worst food I ever had in my life. I ate 2 days back. So it was a family day and my sister decided to make cookies. So she came to me and asked that, Didi, which one is maida? So there were 2 bags. In one it was maida and in another it was corn flour. So I said the corn flour is maida and she used corn flour to make cookies, and that cookies were worst. They taste so bad that I couldn't even explain how bad it was. It was my mistake, I accept it, but it was the worst food. The next question is, what's the most ridiculous argument you have had? So it was with my best friend Khushi. Khushi, if you are watching this, I'm gonna confess one thing and I'm really sorry. So it's like it was summer season and we used to go to the same tuition in 12th standard. So we were asked to attend one tuition class at 3:30. So she told, let's go at 3 and then 3 to 5 we'll have our tuition. But I was so mad at her that I don't want to adjust according to your time. So we had the most ridiculous argument. But yeah, we are still friends. I love you, Khushi. So the next question is, which family member I would choose to go New York with? I would say my sister. I love New York City. The next question is my 3 weird habits. So I would say the first thing is I love collecting stationery stuffs. Even if I use it or not, I love collecting them. Then second, I would say that after I have my lunch, I have to sleep for an hour or 2, or even if 10 minutes. I have to sleep, and that's the most weird habit. My mom is like, तो खा लिया अब सोना होगा. But yeah, but I love that time when I want to sleep, you know. Then third, I would say that I don't know.
A few moments later.
Third weird habit is मैं शांति से नहीं बैठ सकती. I really want to irritate someone. Even if I don't have anyone, I have my cute little sister to irritate. Yeah. I'm really so sorry, Rudra. Then next question is, does your life have a meaning? Of course, yes. Even if when I look at my life, I have so many problems, but that problems are not even comparable with my life. I just love my lifestyle, the way I live, whatever it is. Yeah, everything is not complete, like you always miss something, but yeah, I love it. Then so the next question is, what impression do you give when you first meet anyone, like a person? I would say the person would think that she is really shy, or they would say that she has so much attitude in her, the way she looks or behaves. But let me tell you one thing, if you even thought of that kind of thing, please just come and talk to me. I'm not that kind of person. I'm a really sweet and really naughty kind of person. If you know me, then I would be best with you. And if people say that I have so much attitude, no, even if I know you for a really small time, I would get so attached to you that I don't want to lose you, you know? Then how I could have that attitude? Yeah. So next question is 5 things that irritate me about the same or opposite sex. So I would say I don't like when people judge you, like even if it's a girl or boy, they just look at you, or you have just talked to them and they'll just judge you. I just hate that thing. Then I would say, please talk to people. I just don't like when people just make things about you and they don't talk to you. You should have that communication between people. So the next question is, what memory do you keep going back to? So right now, as we are going through this pandemic, I would say the memories which I made when I used to go out to different places, I really miss it. I really want to go out and just enjoy this beautiful world. Yeah, that's what I miss, and I keep going back to it. So guys, this was it for this video. Hope you liked my get to know me tag, and if you liked it, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Till then,